it is your girl Angelle, and welcome back to Angelle's Life. Today I have a shoe review. Now, y'all know that I wear heels pretty much every day, so I am always on the hunt for comfortable ones, okay? Because listen, I need my shoes to be made for walking. I'm walking here. Okay, and that is where Cosy Island stands out. Okay, they sent me over 6 pair of shoes. Let's review them all, okay? And they are really some of the most comfortable heels that I've ever tried on. So let's jump right into the video. Before we get into the outfit of the day, let me let y'all know right out the gate, Cosy Island's Black Friday sale is already live, and it is up to 50% off, as well as other discounts, including a tiered discount where you get $40 off of $199, $60 off of $299, and $80 off of $399. So there is that. Let's jump right into the outfit of the day, and then let's start reviewing these shoes. All right, y'all, so for the outfit of the day, we have this Oama dress. Y'all seen this dress before if y'all saw my last new in black owned haul. Okay, we have this Oama dress. I have those styled with my Michael Kors platform heels, and then my Michael Kors pouch. Yeah. My Michael Kors clutch. Okay, very cute look. I think it's absolutely perfect for a date night, or anything after hours. 10 out of 10 would absolutely recommend. Now let's get into the shoes, y'all. All right, y'all, so this is the box that all the shoes come in. They say Cosy Island. I will say all the shoes were packaged very nicely. Okay, Cosy Island paper wrapper, etc. So the first pair of shoes that we have are these gray booties. Now, yeah, I don't know what that was. So I will say most of the shoes that I got have this kind of like sock-like material that forms to the feet. Y'all, the shoes are so comfortable. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, these are probably my favorite. It is something about this gray color that's just like, I'm not even like a gray girl, but these are absolutely gorgeous. I also like this little detail in the front. I don't know what it is about boots that have these kind of like little, like, like little marks in the front that I am a huge fan of, okay? But these are so comfortable, so easy to slip on and off. The design of these in particular are so stinking cute. Like 10 out of 10 would recommend. I got them in a size 6. Y'all. Yes, okay, super duper cute. And now let's talk about how I styled them, okay? I styled them with this black bubble skirt, this mesh top, the hat, the bag, the stockings, the boots. When I tell y'all, these boots tie this look together like you didn't even know you needed it to be tied together. Like 10 out of 10 would recommend. These boots are stunning. They are stunning. They sent me 6 pairs of shoes. These might be my favorite. And y'all, I don't even want to talk about how comfortable they are. They are extremely comfortable. Like, yeah, absolutely gorgeous and comfortable. You cannot beat it. Let's move on to the next pair. All right, y'all, next up we have these brown booties. Y'all know brown is one of my colors. These boots are right up my alley. Again, it is that same kind of like sock material. Got them in a size 6. I love the fact that all of the boots are pointed toe. Y'all know I prefer a pointed toe boot, but super easy to get on, super easy to get off, and they're just so chic and so comfortable, so easy. Again, in a size 6. Now I have these styled with a pair of black stockings, my white button down, a green dress over top, and my Fendi bag. so good and so easy. Like, I don't, y'all, I don't even know how to explain, but the boots are so comfortable. The shoes look so good, and they're just so easy to throw on and off, you know? And I do think that is something that makes a shoe more likely to wear, how easy it is to get on and off in all of the boots. All of the boots were easy to get on and off. There has been several pair of boots that I had to get rid of because they were just too hard to get on and off. These are not, okay? And again, the silhouette is so simple, yet so chic, okay? And y'all know I love brown. I have a ton of brown bags. Well, not a ton, but you know, I got a couple brown bags, and the brown is gonna do what it needs to do every time. So here are these. Let's move on. All right, y'all. Next up, we have these leopard heels, okay? And they have like these crystals or bejewelments on them. They are super duper cute. The heel is short. I want to say it's about 3 inches or so, which makes it very comfortable and very easy to walk in. I do feel like sometimes pumps can be a challenge, but not these. Look at the cushion in the inside, by the way. Like, take a look at that. Okay, very good cushion, especially if you have like a low arch. Very, very comfortable shoe. I cannot express enough how comfortable pretty much all of these shoes are, okay? But these are really cute, especially for a nice evening out. They come in several different colors. I like the leopard, so I chose the leopard, and then I decided to style these up with my denim cream good American dress in my black YSL bag, because why not? Okay, y'all, stunning, stunning, like so cute, so cute. I don't know what to tell y'all. All right, like, we're fighting for a favorite, but I will say this: I really like the gray boots. I don't know, I like the gray boots. But these are those. I got these in a size 6 as well. Let's move on. All right, y'all, next up we have these navy blue pumps with the strap. Now, I do show y'all the strap is removable, okay? If you look at the bottom, there is a little groove right there. Can y'all see it? These are the blue pumps. Super cute, y'all. But again, they have this little groove at the bottom so the strap can be removed, okay? Stunning. The platform heel on them allows for a more comfortable wear, okay? Versus it just being, you know, here. And I want to say with the platform, it's probably about 3 inches with the platform, but it is a very comfortable wear. Now, I do show y'all with the strap off and the strap on. I prefer the strap on just because I like that added security with pumps. Like, you know, pumps are easy for your foot to slip out of. The strap is perfect for me. So these shoes are absolutely stunning, okay? Really, really cute, and I love that they are pointed toe. Again, y'all know I love a pointed toe heel. So these are also waterproof, and the color is gorgeous. That is that. Let's move on to the last pair. All right, y'all, these red mules. I know I said the gray might be my favorite, but I'm not gonna lie to y'all, like, okay, maybe. The red mules and the gray boots, they're fighting for each other. I love all the shoes, but the red mules and the gray boots, they're fighting. They're fighting for the favorite spot. These are so comfortable, so chic, so simple. Again, another pair of shoes that I saw right out the gate and was kind of like, girl, those are giving grandma vibes. Well, then call me granny. Call me granny, because I'm in there. Like, I live there. Absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous. Like, the strap on it is adjustable. Now, there isn't much adjustment that you can go, but it is adjustable. I personally didn't need any adjusting. And let's talk about the styling. I have it styled with my red tulle House of CB dress, red stockings, and then the red mules. Gucci bag, Sandisha. Like, yes. Yes, stunning look. Absolutely love it. Very comfortable. I want to say this heel is probably about two inches and some change. 2 inches and some change. This feels like this almost feels like a flat when you're walking in it. Very comfortable mule. And I don't know if y'all have ever had mules where your foot kind of like flops up as you walk. These do not. You're not flip-flopping in these. The strap, I'm sure, is probably what keeps you grounded, but comfortable, stunning, easy to wear. Like 10 out of 10 would recommend. 10 out of 10 would recommend, okay? Yeah. Yeah, okay? And did I mention that their Black Friday sale is going on right now, okay? So there are discounts to be had, all right? So the next pair of boots are these kind of beige tan ankle boots. Now, I want to say this. When I first saw these boots, I did not like them. I did not think they were very attractive. Mind you, I picked them out, okay? They have this little like fur cover that goes on top. Mind you, there is a button in the back that you click to put the fur so that the fur like goes on top. Kind of like, hold on, let's click it in, y'all. Okay, y'all heard it? It's clicked in. So these are how the boots look. And when I saw the boots, I was like, absolutely not. Those are hideous. Those are hideous. Y'all, sometimes your girl, y'all know sometimes your girl be eating her words. These boots look absolutely adorable on, and there is just so many looks that I'm like, okay, let me rethink what I was talking about, because these are doing something for me, okay? I think it's the fact that I have it on with the stockings and the short skirt that really like gives it something that I did not know it needed. I got them in a size 6, and to be honest, I prefer them with the fur on top than without. Like, but you can take the fur off. Again, very easy to get on and off. It's also kind of like that sock stretchy material. Y'all, these boots are so cute and so different. Like, eating my words, okay? And the way I have it styled with the brown sweater, that wrapped pleated mini skirt, the stockings, the bag, chef's kiss. And I like I like the way it blends. Y'all know I'm a blender. Y'all, I love these. Absolutely love these. Like, at first I was feeling a little iffy. Cosy Island won me over. First 2 boots right out the gate were doing everything that they needed to do. But let's move on. Well, y'all, that's all I got. Don't got no more. Comment down below. Let me know, what was your favorite pair of heels? What was your favorite look? Are we gonna pick any of these boots up? I want to say thank you to Cosy Island for sponsoring this video. And also let me remind you, their Black Friday sale is live right now, okay? Everything up to 50% off, as well as a tiered discount where you get 40 off $199, 60 off $299, and 80 off $399. So shop while you can. Shop while the deals last, girl. But again, that's all I got. Don't got no more. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at angelleslife and on TikTok at @1angelleslife. But I love y'all so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.